is. Just slightly pull on the clutch. Now release the clutch. Slowly pulling the clutch. I'm only from the edge giving it maybe a ½ inch, quarter inch. I am a little low on fluid on the clutch.